insane asylum. And too many men were taken up with the bottle. And here I am undone. I'm a woman trying to become. I'm a songbird singing. I'm a songbird singing into the echoes of my past. Stories that never passed down. Too much pain to try and unbury. Guess that's why I never asked for the details. Guess that's why I never asked. How did it make you feel? How did it make you feel? How did it make you feel? The truth is in this air I breathe, but I can be my own worst enemy. Bereaved, I stay grieving at some borderline of my mind. Of these times, who am I to judge anyone? I'm just trying to find clarity, but keep diving headfirst into despair at our history's incessant mysteries. Keep making a fool of me, keep making fools of me. Keep making fools of me. So I'm a songbird. I'm a songbird singing. I'm a songbird. I'm a songbird singing. I'm a songbird singing. Now I wake up in the cold and dark, questions clawing at my heart. Why she decided to forgive him? She said, I did it for my children. It was a Christian thing to do. And I want so badly to believe that nothing breaks, it only bends. That we're all here trying to make amends, to pay our bills, to lend a hand. But Jesus Christ, we're slow to stop the bleeding. Jesus Christ, we're slow to stop the bleeding. Oh, Jesus Christ, we're slow to know how this pain within can travel by the wings of time. So I'm praying at this borderline of my mind. Of these times, who am I to judge anyone? I'm just trying to find clarity, but keep diving headfirst into despair at our history's incessant mysteries. Keep making a fool of me, keep making fools of me. Keep making fools of me.